Have you ever dreamed of building your own welding machine at home to fix things and save money? Today, I'll show you how to craft a sturdy welder using an old transformer, some copper wire, and a touch of ingenuity. Perfect for welding iron and steel. It's simple, practical, and safe, as long as you wear protective goggles. Ready to dive in? If you love this idea, hit like, subscribe, and join me for more exciting projects. I'm going to use this wooden stick to make the handle. I need to find a wooden stick that matches the size of the angle grinder's locking nut. Mark the points that need to be drilled on the wood. Measure the wooden stick to about 10 centimeters and cut it at the marked point. You can use a saw or a cutting tool. Make sure the cut is neat, because this will be the part you'll be gripping often. It needs to be both strong and comfortable. A small step, but an important one. So, what's special about this welding machine? First of all, it's super cost-effective. No need to spend money on an expensive machine. Just repurpose items you already have at home. It's cheap and fun, just the way DIY projects should be. Watch the video until the end, and let me know which method you like the most. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. Insert the metal tire valve through the center hole of the locking nut. Making sure one end of the valve sticks out about 2 to 3 centimeters. This will be used to attach the welding tip. Its design is both convenient and makes it easy to attach the soldering tip. place the locking nut on top of the wooden handle, aligning its 4 holes with the 4 holes you previously drilled in the wood. If you want extra security, add nuts or anti-loosening glue to the screws for a tighter hold. I'll use this screw instead of the welding tip. I've cut off one end of it to attach it to the tire valve. Now, I need to sharpen it so that it resembles a spot welder. Attach the screw to the drill and use sandpaper to grind it down. Turn on the drill and grind it until the end becomes sharp. Next, I'll work on the wiring. You can adjust the temperature yourself by changing the wiring or adding a resistor. It's super flexible for small welding tasks. Since this is a mini welding machine, thick electrical wires aren't necessary. I'll use this type of wire, and it will work just fine. The key is to secure the connections and properly insulate the contact points to prevent electrical leakage. One end of the wire is connected to the valve, and the other end is connected to a battery clamp. I need one more wire, with both ends connected to 2 battery clamps. The battery clamp allows for quick connections, easy installation, and adjustments if needed. This clamp terminal is usually designed with a spring clip or screw tightening mechanism, making it easy to attach and remove without complex tools. Attach the electrical wire and the screw to the tire valve, then tighten it securely. Use tape to secure the electrical wire in place, making it more convenient while working. Now, let's prepare a motorcycle battery. It has a voltage of 12 V, which is enough to power this welding machine. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the blue wire to the negative terminal. Before welding, I'll preheat the soldering tip. Now, I'll engrave a mark on the welding tip to check the temperature of the welding machine. Do you like this idea? Don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Wow, it works so well. It heats up quickly. Now, I'll test it with 2 razor blades. Creates clean welds and operates smoothly without any interruptions. A total success. After testing it with razor blades, the results exceeded expectations. Fast and strong welding, a well-deserved success. After using the homemade welding machine, I can say it works surprisingly well. The heat is strong enough for light welding tasks, and the handle is comfortable to grip, making it easy to control. The quick setup and the fact that it cost me so little to make it even more satisfying. It's a simple, efficient tool for DIY repairs, and I'm glad I gave it a try. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.